17 feet 8 Ga blue power cable 3 feet 8 Ga black ground cable 17 feet clear blue RCA cable 17 feet clear blue remote turn on wire 1 Mini ANL fuse holder plus 60 amp Mini ANL fuse. Top reviews from the United States. Not what's pictured, but it's a nice kit. Overall, it's a great kit with one important caveat. The kit that Amazon shows here is not what you're going to get. The kit Amazon shows is the AK-04. This kit is no longer made and has been replaced by the AK-4. There are two main differences. The kit they are now selling does not include speaker cable. However, it does include a Mini ANL fuse block rather than the old-school AGU fuse block. The fuse block you'll be getting in this kit is extremely compact and makes for a nice install. I can get speaker cable anywhere for very cheap, so that's not a big deal, so I consider it a wash. Basic rundown. Power and ground cables, nice looking, with an attractive matte finish. Both are pre-terminated with ring terminals, so that's kinda nice. Ready to just throw into the car. Remote lead. It's there if you use it. Lots of people don't bother as many amps these days have auto turn on. Nothing much to say. It's just basic primary wire. RCAs, kinda cheapish, but they'll do the job. DS18, available on Amazon as an add-on item, makes twisted RCAs for a very fair price and they're much nicer than these in every regard. If you need more RCAs, tack those onto this kit for your multi-channel amp. Odds and ends. A grommet, a few spade terminals and zip ties. Whatever. Basically, you're buying this for the power wire, RCA and fuse block. You're going to have to add speaker wire to your purchase. It's nothing special, but for the very low price, I think it's a good deal. The Mini ANL fuse block pushes it above similarly priced kits that usually include an AGU or Maxi, fuse block.